everybody and welcome to another new little video on my channel, and again something very exciting I just could not resist to film a little video about. I wanted to show you today the last and very exciting collection of the Zara beauty brand. I don't know if there's ever going to be a new collection of this. Might be the last right now, and maybe in 5 years or something there's going to be maybe a new one. I don't know if the brand overall is gone now or if it's just the last collection of it so far. So like I said, I just couldn't resist to film a little video about it. I filmed a video about all the collections, I think since the second or third one of the Zara beauty collections. I just thought if it's now over with all the amazing collections, I just have to film a little video about it to just close the circle kind of. So the last collection was called, I think, the Fruit or Fruits collection. Very nice stuff that I again do not really know how the collection itself was called. I got everything on a Feel Unique like usual, and I just got the complete collection, I do actually think, and just wanted to talk about it a little bit and just show you everything and tell you all, I think. So I tried a few of the products. I at this point have not tried all of the products. I am probably going to try a few of the products the first time in the video, you will see later on, and you're going to see or can read a more in-depth review and everything I think about it on my blog, which I will try to link down below in the description box. So just going to go into the box and randomly just grab any product which comes to my side first or in my grab first. And the first thing I'm having here is the Peach Body Sorbet, and this is just again such a cute packaging. Also this time there's not just one scent of the whole collection like there has been before, where everything was kind of similarly scented, but this time I think every product kind of has its own unique scent to it. And this is obviously and very probably just a peach scented product. So this is the Peach Body Sorbet to soften skin with a mouth-watering body sorbet enriched with moisturizing peach extract. It is moisturizing, softening and refreshing. You just massage it into clean skin until fully absorbed. So here you have like a body cream or body lotion. It's such a cute packaging again. It's just kind of what you would expect with the Zoella beauty or with the Zoella product overall. So I'm just going to try it now for the first time. Okay, so it's quite the unique consistency, I would say. Not like creamy and smooth. Oh, it's hard to close. Like normally it kind of has, don't want to say rough, like how would you describe that? It smells very nice. Definitely has that very artificial like peachy scent to it, but it's nice to spread, very nice. Sinks in also nice and quickly. Just using that as a hand cream now. It smells quite strongly, gotta say, so you definitely smell that. It's fruity and fresh, so it's not too sweet. It definitely has a sweet like tones to it, if you can say that in a scent, but it's not heavy sweet. Definitely peachy, but not only. I do have the feeling that it's mainly peachy, but not only. Definitely absorbs very quickly, which is very nice. Love that a lot. Definitely very soft and smooth, gotta say that in the first impression. So infused with peach extract. So actually there's a real peach extract in there, and it actually smells very nicely. So far I can say do like that in the first impression. Smell, the scent is quite strong, so if you're very sensitive with that, you might want to test it before you buy it. Definitely smell that on the skin, probably for a longer time either. But it sinks. The best thing is how quickly it sinks in, leaves the skin definitely smooth, like it says, moisturizing, softening and refreshing. So far I can say that is what it does. I like it. First impression, very nice. Next thing here I'm having is the Berry Jam Body Scrub. So I cannot test this now. It says here infused with kiwi seeds and natural exfoliants. Yes, you can see them. Of course, like kiwi seeds are the harder particle to exfoliate the skin. You always need that in a body scrub. It says here exfoliating, smoothing and softening. Polish skin with this Berry Jam scrub enriched with natural exfoliants and kiwi seeds for super smooth finish. Oh yeah, it smells very nice. I like that. Oh. I really like how this smells. It's very sweet, a very sweetish, berryish scent, but also very fresh. And I do actually kind of think that I get the kiwi in it a little bit, which is more like the very fresh and not very sweet scent. So this is the Cherry Berry Jam body scrub. Looks very, very nice. Of course, very pink. And this packaging is maybe not my favorite. I do much more like this one. So this is how this looks. This is a berry jam. First impression is nice. Smells very, very nice. I love, love, love the scent. Okay, going on with the banana foam. So this packaging is just so cool. I just love the bright yellow. So this is a body wash, and it says infused with banana extract. Also love this little like sticker which looks like the stickers on the bananas. Just really, really love that. So the banana foam is a body wash. Lather up with this banana scented foaming body wash enriched with moisturizing banana extract, which is cleansing, moisturizing and refreshing. And you just pump foam into your hand and massage over wet skin, and then you rinse it off like you do with a body wash. It smells really like bananas. I don't know, we have these, I think I talked about those before. I really have to check out if you can get them everywhere. We have in Germany these little like yogurts, kind of, they are called Fruchtzwerge. They're just teeny tiny little children's yogurts which we always froze in summer. So we would have little like yogurt icicles, like popsicles. And there is a banana one in there, and it smells exactly like that. Like this very sweet, like strong banana scent. So it smells like bananas. If you do not like that, this is not the perfect product for you. But I really, really like it. It's perfect for summer. Very, very nice product. I love the scent, even though it's very sweet and banana-y, but I do really, really like everything so far. It's very nice. Okay, so the two things I have left here now are the sets which you can get in the collection. One of them is just like the main little bottle scent like you could get with every collection. This now is called a Fruit Medley Body Mist. So this definitely then smells like fruit salad. Oh, that's different than I would have expected it or imagined it. It's actually very nice. It's not sweet, or at least not only sweet. I actually really, really like it. It has like more, now me describing scents, you know how amazing I am with that. It has like a very strong perfumey things to it. So of course it's a body spray, it's not far from a perfume, but it's not that, how do you describe that? Is there anything written on there? Body mist, no. 100% pure fruit fragrance. I really like it, but that's everything I can say at this moment. So if you trust the little packaging, then you have peaches and watermelons and berries in, and strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. I really, really like it. I remember that I tried this once before because I already filmed like the close-ups you will have seen. And my first impression was not that nice. But I do actually really like it now. It smells very nice on the skin. I do actually really like it. It's very fruity. It's very, I don't know if you can say healthy fruity, but it's not just airy or sweet. It definitely has a very different kind of aspects to it. I'm sorry. Sorry about my very poor scent describing skills. Definitely not very nosy. Okay. And the last product which I'm having here from the collection is the Pick Your Own Rollerballs Perfume Roll-On Scent Bundle collection, kind of. So it's called Pick Your Own, and these rollerballs are perfect for on the go, quick on one or layer all three for a burst of fruity fragrance. So you have three different ones, like you can see. Like you have a berry medley, a delicious scent with uplifting notes of blackcurrant and raspberry. Then you have the watermelon one, which is a refreshing juicy watermelon fragrance, and the apricot and peach, which is a light fresh and fruity fragrance with notes of peach and apricot, cruelty free and vegan. Okay, so let's get these bad boys out of here. So let's start with the berry medley, shall we? So you have three of these little like tubes, kind of like these roll-ons. So first is the berry medley. Where should I try that? I have scents everywhere now. Oh, that's very liquidy. Alright, so that's like berryish, but not very stronger at that now. Next is the pinky one, which is the watermelon. Oh god, oh, that's very liquidy. Ooh. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, it's 100% watermelon. 100% watermelon, definitely. Very, very nice though. Gotta say that it's not easy to use them. They're very, very liquidy. Don't know why that is. The last one is the apricot and peach. Quite sweet. Yeah, but nice either. So from these three so far, I gotta say I think the watermelon is my favorite. It's hard to say though, but I think on the first impression, on the first sniff, I think the watermelon is my favorite of these three. I don't know if you're interested in all the prices, but I will link everything down below. But so far as I remember, this thing here, this little collection, has been the most expensive one. Yeah, no, yes, yeah. But still, like always, not that expensive, so definitely affordable for all of you. Also, I really like the idea of the packaging on the back, which says then how the ingredients and everything is a little bit like cooked together. And yeah, so you have these little this little collection of scents, which I really, really like, and they are all very, very nice. So this is the collection, the last ever Zoella Beauty collection, and I think they actually did a very, very nice job. It's maybe not my favorite collection of them all. Like I said last year, I think it was the last collection I made a video about, which I said every year it's getting better and better, and I don't know what is going to come there. I really love the idea of just creating so many different products and so many different scents overall, and just creating an individual scent for the individual products, and just saying, okay, we just call it fruits. It's not a banana collection or an apricot collection or a berry collection or something like that. Just saying fruits, and every product has its own fruit and its own scent of that. I do like that idea overall. Also, so far I can only say that the scents all are very, very nice, of course very fruity, what else? And there are many, many different lovely, lovely things you can pick up. First impression on the body sorbet is very, very nice, using it so quickly. The others I will try and then show you and tell you what I think about them as soon as possible. So just a little first impression review of the whole collection. Can only say so far I really, really love them, and that they are amazing like always. And I'm very sad that the whole era of the Zoella Beauty collection is over a little bit. They have always been very, very exciting, very creative. The packaging, the ideas behind them, everything is very, very nice, and I really love them. And gotta say, I might miss that. Just waiting and being excited for the new collections. Also, always in the Christmas collection have been very, very nice. And I definitely will miss that. So I hope that there are amazing and exciting things going to come from Zoella, and the whole team and the Zoe makes a lot of amazing collaborations, like the collaboration with ColourPop. So yes, that said, I thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it has been a little bit of an inspiration, or maybe a little bit something to watch, I don't know. I hope that you liked it, and my little take on the products and how I created this little video. And thank you so much for watching, and for liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and for maybe subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing. I have so many amazing followers now, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And yes, so this has been my video for this week. Thank you so much for watching it. Take care. I will see you very, very soon, and I hope that you will have a wonderful time. So bye.